Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Welcome to the science class. In today's class, we will conduct float or sink experiment. Are you ready for this? So let's start the class. Experiment name is float or sink. For this experiment, I have taken a container of water and few objects. Some are light-weighted and some are heavy in weight. Let's start the experiment. First of all, I am going to take a plastic bowl. What do you think, students? Does it float or sink into the water? Let's check. As you can clearly see that it did not sink, it is floating on the top of the water. And now let's take another object, and here I have taken a pencil. What about this, students? Will it float or sink? Hey, it is also floating on the top of the water. I want you all to think yourself first whether the object is going to sink or float. And here I have taken keys. What do you think? Will it float or sink? See, it directly went down into the water. It's not floating on the top of the water. Here I have taken a foam. What about this? Let's check. See, this is floating on the top of the water like pencil and ball. Moving on to the another object, and here I have taken a marker. 3, 2, 1, go. As it can be clearly seen, it floats on the top of the water. And now I have taken a boat. Can you make any guess? Let's check whether it floats or sinks. Again we have found a floating object. This time I have a steel spoon. What about this? Let's see. Ooh, it directly went down just like keys. It's not floating. Okay, what about this plastic fish? Can you tell? Let's see. It's floating on the top of the water. It did not sink into the water. And what about this plastic tray? Whether it is going to float or sink into the water? It is also floating, as you can clearly see. It did not sink into the water. Okay, what about this coin? Will it sink or float? 3, 2, 1, go! It directly went down just like spoon and keys. It sinks into the water. And here I have taken artificial grapes. What do you think, students? Will float or sink? Let's find out. It is also floating on the top of the water. It did not sink into the water. And here I have taken a stone. Let's find out. It sinks into the water. It is not floating on the top of the water. And here is our last object, that is paper. What about this? Can you make a guess? Will it float or sink into the water? Let's figure out. And here we go. See? It's not going down. It is floating on the top of the water. So students, today we have experimented the concept of float or sink with variety of objects. In today's class, it is clear that coin, spoon, keys and stone, they sink into the water. And foam like boat, pencil, fish, plastic tray, ball, marker, artificial grapes and paper, they all are floating objects. I hope you all have got it. Students, can you tell me what makes something float or sink? Let me tell you, objects that are less dense than water will float, whereas objects that are more dense than water will sink into the water. And now students, I want you all to collect few objects from your home and try whether they float or sink into the water and share your feedbacks with me. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.